So how do you pronounce this? Is it plantain or plantain? All I know is that I'm really hungry. Hey everyone, it's Monique from NowYou'reCooking.ca, and today I'll be showing you how to make sweet fried plantains, or plantain for all my Jamaicans out there. Unlike bananas, plantains contain a lot more starch, especially when it's green or underripe. It becomes sweeter and softer as it ripens, and the color changes from green to yellow to black. For this dish, I'm using ripe ones. Peeling a plantain, or plantain, or whatever, it's different from peeling a banana. Using a sharp paring knife, you should cut off the ends first. Then score the skin along one of the ridges, being careful not to slice too far into the fruit. If you want, you can make a couple more scores along the length of it, which is usually the case with greener plantains. Then all you need to do is carefully run your finger under the skin and it should peel right off. Right off. Right off. Yeah. There are a few ways to slice these in preparation for the frying pan. I like to cut the plantain in half, and then with each half I'll slice lengthwise into 3 sections. This will give you 6 long slices from each plantain, and that sounded like a lot of math, which I was not prepared for today. You could also just take the whole thing and slice it into evenly sized rounds. These are about 1 inch long. It's all going to taste the same. Heat up a wide frying pan on the stovetop over medium-high heat. Pour in just enough oil so that it covers the bottom of the pan. Ooh, listen to the sizzle. You want to fry these for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they come out nice and golden brown. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan or let your plantains burn, so keep an eye on them. Line a plate with paper towels so that it could suck up some of the excess. Ooh, that one's a little bun up. Let me find another one to hide it there. There we go. So it could absorb some of the extra oil from the plantains. And that's pretty much it. While it's hot, sprinkle with a bit of sea salt, or a little bit more. And then it's time to snack. Look how soft it is on the inside and slightly crisp on the outside. So good. I usually eat this as a breakfast snack or as a side dish with my Jamaican dinners. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is my very first recipe video, so I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You could also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. For the full recipe, check out my website at NowYou'reCooking.ca. See y'all next time.